जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज यमुना तीरवन चारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन यमुना तीरवन चारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा कुंज बिहारी राधा कुंज बिहारी राधे। जय राधा कुंज बिहारी राधा कुंज बिहारी राधे। जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे। जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे। जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram. Nityananda, 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 Nityananda. Nityananda, 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 Nityananda. Gauranga, 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 Gauranga. Gauranga, 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 Gauranga. Gauranga, 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 Gauranga. Gauranga, 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 Gauranga. Gauranga, 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 Gauranga. Jaya Gaura Hari, Jaya Gaura Hari, Gaura Hari, Jaya Gaura Hari. जय राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड जय राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम राधे श्याम 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 राधे श्याम श्याम राधे श्याम 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 राधे श्याम श्याम राधे श्याम 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 राधे श्याम 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 राधे श्याम 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 राधे श्याम श्याम राधे श्याम 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 राधे श्याम 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 राधे श्याम श्याम राधे श्याम 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 राधे श्याम श्याम राधे श्याम 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 राधे श्याम श्याम जय मानस पावन जय मानस पावन मानस पावन जय मानस पावन जय जानवनिताय जय जानवनिताय जानवनिताय जय जानवनिताय हरि बोल 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 निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल जय गुरु परंपरा जय गुरु परंपरा गुरु परंपरा जय गुरु परंपरा जय सच्चिदानंद ठाकुर भक्ति सच्चिदानंद ठाकुर भक्ति विनोद सच्चिदानंद ठाकुर जय कमल मंजरी ठाकुर भक्ति विनोद कमल मंजरी ठाकुर भक्ति विनोद जय गौर किशोर जय गौर किशोर गौर किशोर जय गौर किशोर जय भक्ति सिद्धांत श्रीला प्रभुपाद भक्ति सिद्धांत श्रीला प्रभुपाद जय भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद जय भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभु गुरुदेव 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 जय 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 गुरुदेव 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 जय श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत की जय। श्रील कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी की जय। श्री गौरांग महाप्रभु की जय। श्री नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय। राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड धाम की जय। श्री गुरु परंपरा की जय। श्री षड गोस्वामी की जय। रूप रघुनाथ की जय। श्रील कृष्णदास कविराज की जय। श्रील विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद की जय। श्रीनिवास नरोत्तम श्यामानंद रामचंद्र रसिकानंद प्रभु की जय। श्री अनंत कोटि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री जगन्नाथ दास बाबा जी की जय। भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय। श्री गौर किशोर दास बाबा जी महाराज की जय। श्री भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद की जय। भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय। श्री गुरुदेव all glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to Shri Guru and Gaurang. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Tavaivasmi Tavaivasmi ना जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय देवि त्वं नय मां चरणान्तिकम् यथा राधा प्रिय विष्णो तस्या कुंडं प्रियं तथा सर्वगोपीषु सैवैका विष्णोरत्यन्तवल्लभा। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरत्विषे नमः। नित्यानन्दम् अहं नौमि सर्वानन्दकरं परम् हरिनामप्रदं देवम् अवधूतशिरोमणिम् पञ्चतत्त्वात्मकं कृष्णं भक्तरूपस्वरूपकम् भक्तावतारं भक्ताख्यं नमामि भक्तशक्तिकम्। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्टम् स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। नित्यानंद गौरांग श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत आदि लीला चैप्टर 5। नित्यानंद स्वरूप देखिया वैभव की बारूप गुण लीला अलौकिक आनंदे विवल आमी किछु नहीं जानी तबे हासी प्रभु मोर कहिलेन वाणी। अरे अरे कृष्णदास अरे अरे कृष्णदास ना करिह भय वृंदावन जाह तहाँ सर्वलभ्य है। Nityananda Prabhu looked at me, says, "Get up, Krishnadas. Don't be afraid." Because it was a vision. Nityananda Prabhu had appeared in a vision to Krishnadas. He was thinking maybe Krishnadas would be afraid. Means when you meet the Supreme Personality of Godhead face to face, you feel little shy for the first time. So don't be afraid. Go to Vrindavan. He was showing his hand. Vrindavan jah taha sarva labhya hai. You will attain everything which is to be attained in Vrindavan. Go to Vrindavan. Prabhupada writes in the commentary to Adi Leela, chapter 8.31, said one should very regularly chant the name of Nityananda, and one should very regularly chant the name of Gauranga, and then one should approach Vrindavan Dham. नित्यानंद का नाम इंग्लिश समझ जाए। नित्यानंद का नाम निरंतर लेना चाहिए, गौरांग का नाम, और फिर वृंदावन में आना चाहिए। Because Nityananda and Gauranga, Nityananda purifies the desire for sense enjoyment in our heart. And Gauranga gives us realization of the Dham. Vishaya chadiya kobe Shuddha habe mana कबे हम हैं रब श्री वृंदावन कबे हम हैं वो श्री वृंदावन आर कबे निताई चांदे करुणा होइबे संसार वासना कबे तुच्छ হবে আর সংসার বাসনা কবে তুচ্ছ হবে নিতাইয়ের কৃপা কবে হবে নিতাইয়ের কৃপা কবে হবে আমি বৃন্দাবন বাসী হব নিতাই চাঁদের কৃপা কবে হবে অধম হয়ে পড়ে আছি নিতাইয়ের কৃপা কবে হবে আমি নরকে সংসারে পড়ে আছি নিতাইয়ের কৃপা কবে হবে দয়া করো হে নিতাই চাঁদ এই সংসার বাসনা কবে তুচ্ছ হবে নিতাইয়ের কৃপা কবে হবে কবে হবে What to speak of getting a direct order from Nityananda to go to Vrindavan? So most fortunate कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी नित्यानंद प्रभु ने डायरेक्ट आज्ञा दिया जाओ वृंदावन. ये तो बोली प्रेरिला मोर हाथ सानी दिया अंतर्धान कैला प्रभु निज गौण लोना. In that way, when Nityanand Prabhu was indicating with his hand to go to Vrindavan, he disappeared immediately after showing that hand, telling he disappeared from the heart of Krishnadas Kaviraj with all his associates. ऐसे हाथ दिखा के नित्यानंद प्रभु अदृश्य हो गए अपने सब पार्षदों के साथ. This is the most painful moment. When the devotee sees the Lord and then when the devotee loses the Lord. When the devotee loses the Lord, one cannot live, one like a fish. When Narad Muni in the Bhagavatam saw the Lord and then the Lord left his heart. Narad Muni was so disturbed, so agitated, so much crying. Even he was trying to meditate with his full sincerity, concentration. The Lord was not appearing. Then the Lord announced in the sky. The Lord said, "O Narada, I will not give you darshan in this life." ये सबसे दुख का समय है जब भगवान हमारे आंखों के सामने से चले जाते. नारद जी भी ध्यान कर रहे थे तो भगवान ने दर्शन दिया. फिर भगवान अदृश्य हो गए. नारद जी भगवान को बहुत ढूंढ रहे हैं, लेकिन अंत में भगवान ने बोला इस जन्म में तुझे दर्शन नहीं दूंगा. यू नीड टू सफर the pangs of my separation. When you experience my separation for this life, then next life I will give you a divine transcendental body, and with this body you can even come to my abode directly to see me whenever you want. विरह ये जन्म में तुमको विरह अनुभव करना पड़ेगा, और फिर अगले जन्म में तुमको मेरा दर्शन हो, तुम मेरे धाम में भी आ सकते हो, तुमको चिन्मय शरीर मिलेगा. So it is the biggest unhappiness in this world to lose the association of devotees. Then our whole life is a waste. If we lose the association of devotees, especially pure devotees. When Bhaktivinoda Thakur was in the form of Kamal Manjari, Anang Manjari brought him to Rup Manjari. And Rupa Manjari, she just smiled and touched Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Rupa Manjari just touched Kamal Manjari like this. And when she touched him, he realized everything. He realized what is Rupanuga Bhajan. He realized his own seva. He realized everything. So when we will be touched by the Manjaris, the pure devotees, then we realize everything. रूप मंजरी ने स्पर्श किया कमल मंजरी को, भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर को रूप गोस्वामी रूप मंजरी है, तो भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर को सब पता चल गया, अपना सिद्ध देह क्या है, अपनी सेवा क्या है, अपने धाम में कौन सा स्वरूप है, राधा कृष्ण की लीला में. So mercy is given in many different ways, by touching, by sidelong glance, kripa kataksh, by ordering, by giving darshan. Many different ways we get the mercy of the Nitya Siddha, associates of the Lord. So, if devotees' association is so much painful, losing, how much painful is to lose the association of the Supreme Lord? Can you imagine how much the gopis were suffering after the Ras Leela? Means during the Ras Leela when Krishna left, how much the gopis were suffering. They became mad. They could not remember Krishna in the Rasa dance, so they were remembering Putana, Bakasur, Aghasur, some became demons. They couldn't bear to think that Krishna has left them. रास लीला में कृष्ण जब अदृश्य हो गए तब गोपियों को कितना वियोग हुआ कृष्ण के प्रति. कोई गोपियां अगासुर, बकासुर, पूतना बन गई, कोई गोपियां तुलसी और कदम और तमाल को पूछ रही हैं, कहाँ है कृष्ण, कहाँ है. They became blinded with love. They were asking every tree, every plant, where is Krishna? So even though the devotees enjoy a greater mood of separation in his separation, but still they don't want this separation because it gives a lot of pain in the heart. जो वियोग है, भगवान का वियोग, वो बहुत दुख देता है. भक्तों का प्रेम की पराकाष्ठा पहुंच जाती है वियोग में. इसलिए रासलीला में कई गोपियों को पतियों ने रोक दिया और वो गोपियां हैं वो अपने घर में ही बैठी रहीं और उनको वियोग हो गया और वो वियोग से वो शुद्ध हो गए. In some gopis were not allowed by their husbands to go to the Ras Leela. Those who were like sadhan siddha gopis, who had not reached the stage of sneha, rag, anurag, bhav, mahabhav, they were stopped, and feeling the separation, they meditated very deeply on Radha and Krishna, and they, whatever limitations they had, they entered the Ras Leela in their divine transcendental bodies. Vishwanath Chakravarti explains. अपने दिव्य शरीर से उस गोपियों ने रास लीला में प्रवेश किया. वो घर में बैठी रही, लेकिन उन्होंने ये देह छोड़ दिया और उनको दिव्य शरीर से उस पर प्रवेश किया. सो वियोग बहुत जरूरी है. वियोग के बिना कृष्ण का संग नहीं मिल सकता. विदाउट फीलिंग सेपरेशन वी कैन नेवर अटेन कृष्ण. वी हैव टू फील सेपरेशन लाइक अ फिश. And when Nityananda Prabhu disappeared, then Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami feeling extreme separation. जब नित्यानंद प्रभु अदृश्य हो गए तो कृष्णदास कविराज मूर्छित हो गए. मूर्छित हैया मुई पड़िनु भूमिते स्वप्न भंग हईल देखी आनचे प्रभात. I became unconscious. I fell down in the ground. I was crying, and then slowly my dream broke in the morning when sunrise. And I opened my eyes. I saw the sunrise of this material world. If we have such dream every day, what will happen? So very nice. कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी मूर्छित हो गए उस स्वप्न में. नित्यानंद प्रभु को देख के प्रेम आनंद से आंख में आंसू आ रहे थे, और सुबह उनकी आंख खुली, उनका स्वप्न भंग हो गया और प्रातः काल हो गया था. की देखी मुंह की सुनी मुंह करिया विचार प्रभु आज्ञा हईल वृंदावनो जाइबा. Oh, what I heard! Oh, how beautiful! What I heard, what I saw. When will I see it again? What a beautiful vision. When will Nityananda Prabhu always give me his association? Now I know clearly that Nitai wants me to go to Vrindavan. That is his order for me. When you are very humble, then you get direct orders from Krishna, Radharani, Nityananda. If you become very humble, very, very humble, then you get direct orders. अगर आप बहुत नम्र बन जाते हैं तो आपको डायरेक्ट भगवान से आदेश मिलता है. जितना आप नम्र बनेंगे उतना भगवान आपको दर्शन देंगे. कृष्णदास बोले, क्या देखा मैंने, क्या सुना, कितना सुंदर स्वप्न, और मुझे आदेश मिला वृंदावन जाने के लिए. त्रिनादपि सुनी चैन तरोरिव सहिष्णुना अमानिन मानदेन कीर्तनीय सदा. Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj was the personification of humility. Oh, where was I when he was there? So unfortunate we could not have darshan of his lotus feet. Sometimes I mentally roll in his kutir, in Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami's bhajan kutir in Shamkund. While chanting, I roll mentally in the dust of his bhajan kutir, praying for his darshan. He is very, very merciful. कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी की भजन कुटीर है यहाँ श्याम कुंड में, और मानसिक रूप से कभी कभी मैं वहां लेट जाता हूं, लोटपोट हो जाता हूं उनकी प्रार्थना की याचना। कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी said that you make a kanti mala. You make a kanti mala of tulsi mala with this verse, Trinadapi sunichena taroriva saishnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sadahari. Make a nice kanti mala and always wear it in your neck. Because when you remain in this consciousness, then you will be a premi bhakta at every moment. You will get pure love at every moment. ये त्रिनादपि सुनी चेन की कंधी माला बनाओ और अपने गले में पहन लो। हमेशा याद रखो, it is very dangerous to become a guru. Very dangerous. Very dangerous to become a sannyasi. Because the guru starts thinking, I am a guru. Should the Trinadapi mood, that's why my Gurudev never became a guru. My Gurudev initiated only maybe 2-3 disciples in the whole world. That's all. And my Gurudev refused to become a sannyasi. Bhakti Pramod Puri Maharaj told him many times. He wanted to remain so humble. So, Trinadapi is the main thing. Whatever position you are a grihastha, sannyasi, brahmachari, the main thing is Trinadapi sunichena taro rivasaish amani namanadi kirtani siddha. In a whole Chaitanya Charitamrita, by reading this book, you imbibe the mood of the author. When you read a book written by some author, you imbibe the mood of that author. So similarly, Krishnadas Kavir, every verse is actually the fragrance of his humility is coming in every verse. He never felt himself qualified to write Chaitanya Charitamrita. He went to Madan Gopal. He went to all the Vaishnavas. Madan Gopal's garland fell down and the pujari came and put it on his neck. Still he was thinking, oh. Then he went to all the Vaishnavas. They gave him blessings. Then by the power of the Vaishnavas he said, I will write Chaitanya Charitamrita. Otherwise he was not feeling himself qualified at all. चैतन्य, ये पूरे जो चैतन्य चरितामृत है उसमें कृष्णदास कविराज की नम्रता, उनका प्रेम पता चलता है। और वो बहुत नम्र थे। जब मदन गोपाल का हार मिला उनको, तब उन्होंने चैतन्य चरितामृत लिखा, नहीं तो वो नहीं लिख रहे थे। अपने आप को बहुत तुच्छ मान रहे थे। Who am I to describe Gaur Leela? There are some Rasika devotees who say that in every line of Bhagavatam you can see Radharani. Because in the Bhagavatam, Shukadev, being a parrot of Radharani, his mood of Radharani is there even while speaking. Like even, I will tell you some secret thing, should not be said, but when I say Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, I am thinking about Radha Kund only. When somebody is attracted to Radha Kund, then the mood of Radha Kund, Radha Rani, it pervades all that you speak, all that you talk, all that you chant, everything you say, it becomes imbued with the mood of Radha Kund, Radha Rani. जब आपको राधा रानी का भाव है राधा कुंड में, तो पूरा भागवत में शुकदेव ने भी श्लोक लिखा, लेकिन उसमें भी कहते हैं कि हर श्लोक में राधा रानी है, क्योंकि शुकदेव ये राधा रानी के पोपट थे, तोता थे। So if you, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is also any verse, even if he is talking about any characteristic, but because he is a Manjari, he is completely immersed in the Nitya Leela 24 hours. So his verses in Chaitanya Charitamrita, they actually have Madhurya Rasa. In fact, Chaitanya Charitamrita is higher than the Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam is Shanta Rasa. Shukdev was remembering Radharani in Shanta Rasa, but Krishnadas is remembering in his Manjari Deha, in Madhurya Rasa. A parrot is in Shanta Rasa. Manjari is in Madhurya Rasa. So, every verse of Chaitanya Charitamrita should be internalized, should be respected, should be understood properly. हर श्लोक में माधुर्य रस है. ये चैतन्य चरितामृत का हर श्लोक, क्योंकि वो कस्तूरी मंजरी है, नित्य लीला में मग्न है. से क्षणे वृंदावने करिनो गमन, प्रभुर कृपाते सुख सुखे आइनो वृंदावन. That same moment I left my house and I went to Vrindavan. I left for Vrindavan. Because when Nityanand Prabhu orders something, I should follow immediately. No delay. Immediately I left for Vrindavan. And by the mercy of Nityanand Prabhu, I arrived safely in Vrindavan. Because at that time there were no cars, no bus, no train. You had to walk, Pagadandi. Pagadandi, there was small footpaths. And I think from Jamatpur is in the Bardwan district, to come to Vrindavan almost 2,000-3,000 kilometers, I think. We walked. कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी ने तुरंत नित्यानंद प्रभु की आज्ञा पाके वो निकल पड़े और जमातपुर से, बंगाल से वृंदावन में गमन किया और यहां पहुंच गए. प्रभु की कृपा से सुख से पहुंच गए. When the Manjaris, they come to Vrindavan, they come here to reveal the Nitya Leela of Vrindavan. एछाई गोसाई जाबे ब्रजे कोइलो वास, राधा कृष्ण नित्य लीला करिल प्रकाश. एछाई गोसाई जाबे ब्रजे कोइलो वास, राधा कृष्ण नित्य लीला करिला प्रकाश. राधा कृष्ण नित्य लीला करिला प्रकाश. इच्छाई गोसाई जाबे, ब्रजे कोई लोवा. राधा कृष्ण नित्य लीला करिल प्रकाश. राधा कृष्ण नित्य लीला करिल प्रकाश. आनंदे बोलो हरि भजो वृंदावन, आनंदे आनंदे बोलो हरि भजो वृंदावन। श्री गुरु वैष्णव पदे माझायमन। श्री गुरु वैष्णव पदे माझायमन। गुरु वैष्णव पद Mukund is singing better than me. Very nice. Koti Koti Lila. When Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami reached Vrindavan safely, all he could do was to glorify Nityananda. Like our Yashoda Putra Das. He comes early and all the children, he shouts, Nityananda! Nityananda! He is making all children take the name of Nityananda. Yesterday he told me, Maharajji, I will never leave you for the rest of my life. So after he left, I was crying. I was thinking, Nityananda Prabhu has sent. So, when Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami reached Vrindavan, he raised his hands and he was glorifying Nityananda. Very beautiful glorification of Nityananda. Anybody who wants to attain Vrindavan should actually understand this. Jaya Jaya Nityananda. Nityananda Ram. Jahar kripate paino. Vrindavan Dham. Every moment we stay in Vrindavan, we should remember that we have come here by the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. जब वो वृंदावन में पहुंचे तब कृष्णदास कविराज हाथ ऊपर करके नित्यानंद प्रभु का गुणगान करने लगे. उनकी कृपा से मुझे वृंदावन प्राप्त हुआ. We should never forget the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu upon us. In Jagannath Puri, in the Jhanj Pitha Mutt, I was crying. I told Nityananda, you are giving mercy to even the children, then why are you not giving to me? In Jhanj Pitha Mutt, Nityananda Prabhu gave mercy to even the children. He made them dance with Krishna Prem. So I think Nityananda Prabhu answered my prayers and sent me to Radha Kund. पूरी में जांच पीटा मठ में मैंने बहुत प्रार्थना किया नित्यानंद प्रभु को कि आपने बच्चों को प्रेम दिया तो मुझको कभी देंगे. तो नित्यानंद प्रभु की कृपा से मुझे राधा कुंड की प्राप्ति हुई. क्या चाहिए? चालू है इंटरनेट तो खाली पासवर्ड और यूजर नेम डालना पड़ेगा. नहीं नहीं बंद है, चालू है. So, and one good thing in Radha Kund is that Nityanand Prabhu's Baitak is always there, close by. You can go to Nityanand Prabhu's Baitak and remember his mercy. You can go to Tamal Tala and remember the mercy of Gaurang Mahaprabhu. And you can go to Janva Mata's Baitak, remember their mercy, remember Ananga Manjari, Rupa Manjari. In Radha Kund everything is there. राधा कुंड में सब कुछ है. नित्यानंद प्रभु की कृपा चाहिए तो नित्यानंद प्रभु की बैठक बहुत सुंदर है. देयर आर सम ग्रुप ऑफ यंग बॉयज, दे डू कीर्तन. हाँ, when I go there they wanted to talk to me. They are very nice boys. They do Akhand, they do morning evening kirtans, and there is part of Chaitanya Bhagavat. Very nice place. When you go there, you feel relief from the Adi Bhautik, Adi Daivik, Adhyatmik. It's very beautiful. नित्यानंद प्रभु की बैठक में कई लड़के लोग हैं जो वहाँ कीर्तन करते हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं. At least they have faith in Nityananda. It is very rare to find. Because Nityananda is actually the Dham. Vrindavan Dham, Braj Dham is the body of Nityananda. With the Sandhini Shakti of Krishna. ये जो पूरा ब्रज धाम है यही तो नित्यानंद है. हम नित्यानंद के ऊपर चल रहे हैं, हम नित्यानंद के ऊपर सो रहे हैं, हम नित्यानंद के ऊपर बोल रहे हैं, हम सब नित्यानंद के ऊपर ही कर रहे हैं. We are talking on the body of Nityananda, we are walking on the body of Nityananda, we are doing all the activities on the body of Nityananda. That is why Lal Babu used to pass the toilet and the urine in the pot, and he used to throw that pots outside the dham. He did not want to throw the pots in the dham because the dham is the body of Nityananda, Balaram. Nityananda Prabhu ki. So how can we stay in Braj without the mercy of Nityananda? Because everything is Nityananda. नित्यानंद की कृपा के बिना हम ब्रज में कैसे रह सकते हैं? भूमि भी नित्यानंद है, आकाश भी नित्यानंद है, सब कुछ नित्यानंद है. जय जय नित्यानंद, जय कृपामय, जहाँ होइते पाइनु रूप सनातन आश्रय. Even I got the shelter of the lotus feet of Rup Sanatan by the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. He is very merciful. According to my Swarup, he will give you the association. He gave me Rupa Sanatan shelter. Because I had come by the order of Nityananda, Rupa Sanatan accepted me. They accepted me as their disciple. नित्यानंद प्रभु की आज्ञा लेके मैं ब्रज में आया तो रूप सनातन ने मुझे आश्रय दिया उनके चरणों में. नित्यानंद की कृपा से ही मुझे रूप सनातन गोस्वामी मिले. So even to get the mercy of the 6 Goswamis, We need the mercy of Nityananda. Very few devotees understand this. They want to directly become Rupanugas without becoming Nityanandanugas. Nityanandanugas. First is Nityananda. Then everything else will come. जहां होते पाइनु रघुनाथ महाशय, जहां होते पाइनु श्री स्वरूप आश्रय. It gives a little understanding of Krishnadas Kaviraj's Siddha Deha, Swarup here. He says that by the mercy of Nityananda I attained Raghunath Das Goswami's shelter in the bank of Krishna Kund. And by the mercy of Raghunath Das Goswami I attained the mercy of Swarup Damodar Goswami. So, Raghunath Das Goswami was speaking from the notebook of Swarup Damodar Goswami on the banks of Shamkund, and Krishnadas Kaviraj was hearing from his Gurudev. So, because of getting the mercy of Raghunath Das Goswami, he attained the mercy of Swarup Damodar Goswami. Even though Krishnadas Kaviraj has never met Swarup Damodar Goswami in person, but he got the mercy of Swarup Damodar from the mercy of Raghunath Das. According to me, there are different acharyas who have different understandings, but according to me, Swarup Damodar is Vishakha and Raghunath Das Goswami is Rati Manjari, the eternal servitor of Vishakha. And from this verse we get an indication that Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also was in the camp of Vishakha. Because he's telling, I got the shelter of Raghunath and Swarup Damodar Goswami. And his Bhajan Kutir is also in the Vishakha Kunj next to Raghunath Das Goswami's Bhajan Kutir. They have made the Bhajan Kutirs in those places where their Sakhis Kunjas are there. Respective Kunjas. The Goswamis did Bhajan there. तो रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी के मुखारविंद से कृष्ण कुंड के तीर में कृष्णदास कविराज ने गौर लीला का श्रवण किया. जो गौर लीला उन्होंने स्वरूप दामोदर से सुना हुआ था जगन्नाथपुरी में, और उसके कारण कृष्णदास कविराज को रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी का आश्रय मिला और स्वरूप दामोदर का भी आश्रय मिला. So tomorrow we will see the further what Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami attained by taking the shelter of Sanatan and Rupa Goswami, and what did he attain by the mercy of the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. And then he will describe his own position. He will, with extreme humility, these are the verses which will come tomorrow. So please come tomorrow if you want to become humble. Then thank you very much. Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita ki jai. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Any questions? कल हम देखेंगे कि कैसे उनको रूप गोस्वामी सनातन गोस्वामी से क्या प्राप्त हो. नित्यानंद के चरणारविंद से उनको राधा गोविंद की प्राप्ति हो. Any questions? Bad dreams. In Radha Kund also? Okay. Then you have to remember Nityananda before sleeping for 15 minutes, half an hour. Sing these verses of Chaitanya Charitamrita. Try to sing the name of Nityananda. Then you will get good dreams. Maybe Nityananda will appear in your dream also. If you hanker for something, then it will happen. अगर किसी वस्तु की इच्छा करोगे तो वो होगा। सोने से पहले नित्यानंद के चरण को ध्यान करके सो जाओ, नित्यानंद की नाम लो। तो नित्यानंद प्रभु जरूर स्वप्न में आएंगे। एंड नित्यानंद प्रभु इज नॉट सेल्फिश. Nityanand Prabhu does not take the devotee for his own seva. If the devotee is in Madhurya Ras, then Nityanand Prabhu will send him to Radharani, send him to Madhurya Ras. He is very selfless, Nityananda. He gives that rasa. But first we have to approach Nityananda in whatever rasa we are. हम कोई भी रस में हो, लेकिन नित्यानंद का आश्रय पहले लेना चाहिए. नित्यानंद कोई स्वार्थी नहीं है, वो तो परम दयालु भगवान है. जो अगर माधुर्य रस में भक्त है तो वो उनको गोपी का प्रेम प्रदान करते हैं, राधा रानी की तरफ भेजते हैं. तो ट्राई टू डू सम जपा और कीर्तन बिफोर स्लीपिंग, then you will have transcendental dreams. Try to sleep in that direction in which you are doing Dandavat to Radha Kund. Our ashram is located in a very nice place because it is located in the south side of Radha Kund. So when we sleep with our head in the east like this, then we are doing Dandavat to Radha Kund. Because Radha Kund is on our left side. When you offer Dandavat to the deities are in your left side. Similarly, when you sleep with your head on the east, you are doing Dandavat to Radha Kund. अपना सर अगर पूर्व दिशा में रख के सो जाएंगे तो राधा कुंड हमारे बाएं साइड पे हो जाता है. बाएं साइड पे मतलब दंडवत हो जाता है राधा कुंड को. If you sleep in the wrong direction with your foot towards Radha Kund, then you will get bad dreams. अपने पैर को राधा कुंड की तरफ. Okay. You have. If you have stomach problem, you will have bad dreams. Mother is a doctor, so she's. Yeah, if there is too much pitta in your body, you are right. According to Ayurveda, if you have too much pitta in your body, they are known as arms, then you get dreams. साक्षात बलराम. कलयुग में अपने भैया आए गए गौरांग के रूप में, तो उनके साथ नित्यानंद प्रभु भी आए. बोले राधा और कृष्ण का सम्मिलित स्वरूप.
महाराज जी, गौरांग महाप्रभु बन रहे साहब, तो नित्यानंद महाप्रभु बोल सकते? नित्यानंद महाप्रभु बोल सकते?
क्या बोल सकता है?
गौरांग महाप्रभु साहब बोले, गौरांग महाप्रभु. नित्यानंद महाप्रभु बोला, अपराध नहीं है.
नित्यानंद के नाम के बिना गौरांग कोई नहीं बोल सकता. He is asking, Gauranga, everybody is chanting. Can we chant Nityananda's name? I told him, without Nityananda's name, nobody can chant Gauranga's name. Without Gauranga's name, nobody can chant the offenseless Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Namaparadham sakalam vinashya Chaitanya namashrita manavanam. If somebody takes shelter of Gauranga's name, then all the 10 offenses in the Mahamantra are finished. All the 10 offenses are finished. And you will chant the pure name of Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. अगर नित्यानंद का नाम लेंगे तो गौरांग का नाम लेने का योग्यता मिलता है, और गौरांग का नाम लेंगे तो महामंत्र के 10 अपराध खत्म हो जाते हैं.
गौरांग महाप्रभु की.
और 10 अपराध खत्म हो जाएंगे तो प्रेम आएगा. महामंत्र अहंत हंत भुवि में परमो शरायाम सद्भक्त कल्पलतिकांकुरिता कथम स्यात् हृद्येकमेव परमाश्वसनीयमस्ति चैतन्य नाम कलयन न कदापि शोच्यः. Beautiful verse by Prabodhananda Saraswati in Chaitanya Chandramrit. He says, I am trying to plant the seed of Krishna Bhakti in my heart for millions of lives, but because my heart is like a desert, it is not growing, it is dying. Every time I plant it, it is dying. I have no hope. But in my heart there is only one consolation. Paramashvasani masti. If I chant Gauranga's name, Chaitanya Nama Kalayan, then I will never lament again. Nakadapi shocha. That Krishna Bhakti, that Krishna Prem's seed will sprout in my heart. Because all my offenses will be finished. All the acharyas say the same thing. Same thing. मैं हृदय में भक्ति का बीज बोने के कई जन्मों से प्रयत्न कर रहा हूं, लेकिन मेरा हृदय बंजर भूमि है, एक रण के जैसा है, सूखा हुआ है, उसमें बीज अंकुरित नहीं हो रहा है. मेरे लिए एक ही आश्वासन है, गौरांग का नाम. जब मैं गौरांग का नाम लेता हूं तो मुझे आश्वासन मिलता है, मुझे मेरा जो दुख है वो दूर हो जाता है और वो भक्ति का बीज बढ़ता है हृदय में. If somebody wants real Krishna Prem, then they have to take shelter of Nitai Gaur. That is why only the Gaudiyas can understand what is Radha Kund. To understand the secret of Radha Kund, only the Gaudiyas can understand, who come here by the mercy, accepting the shelter of Nitai Gaur. निताई गौर के आश्रय में जो राधा कुंड में आता है वही राधा कुंड को समझ सकता है, नहीं तो यहाँ की गुह्य लीला को समझना बहुत मुश्किल है. और राधा कुंड की लीला भी हमारे गौड़िया वैष्णव आचार्य ने, कृष्णदास कविराज ने ही प्रकट, गोविंद लीलामृत में प्रकट किया है. Nobody knew what are the leelas in Radha Kund, but Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami revealed in Govinda Lilamrit. He revealed the leelas. So he is a Gaudiya Vaishnava Acharya. With Gaudiya you can understand. So that is why we respect the Brajvasis from far. We give them respect. We talk to them sometime, but our real association is with Gaudiya Vaishnavas. Gaudiya Vaishnavas are our life and soul. हम ब्रजवासियों को दूर से प्रणाम करते हैं, उनको सम्मान देते हैं, कभी कभी बात भी करते हैं, लेकिन हमारा जो संग है वो गौड़िया वैष्णव के साथ है, क्योंकि गौरांग के अनुयायी राधा कुंड को समझ सकते. जब गौरांग महाप्रभु आए तब ये सब ब्रजवासी राधा कृष्ण पुराना टीला में रह रहे थे, उनको पता भी नहीं था ये राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड है. When Gauranga Mahaprabhu came here in 1514, the Brajvasis did not know this was Radha Kund, Sham Kund. They asked Gauranga, why are you taking bath in this kund? Gauranga said, don't you know? This is not Kali Kund, this is Sham Kund. This is not Gauri Kund, this is Radha Kund. गौरांग ने कहा उनको, ब्रजवासी को, ये काली कुंड नहीं है, कृष्ण कुंड है, गौरी कुंड नहीं है, ये गौर राधा कुंड है. So, this Radha Kund, Sham Kund is a gift to us by Gauranga Mahaprabhu. That is his gift. So this is Gaudiya Dham, Radha Kund, Sham Kund. Gaudiya Vaishnavas can understand. ये उनका भेंट है, भगवान ने हमको राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड भेंट. Any other questions? Yes.
When he came to the West,
Yes.
had the mission to establish Krishna.
Yeah. Yes.
In the same way, we spend most of our time trying to share some tiny bit of Krishna consciousness
Yes.
with people who understand nothing about Krishna.
Yeah.
Anything like that. So, in the same way, it's this type of order of distribution that we should try to follow. Is it more merciful to simply let
Yeah, my Gurudev gave me that order. He had he had heard Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati singing and chanting Gauranga's name. So my Gurudev placed his hand on my head and said, "You have to preach Nitai Gaur's name along with the Mahamantra." And then I didn't know how to do it. So I went to Navadvip and I was praying in Devananda Gaudiya Math. It's a Kuliya Dham, very merciful place where Mahaprabhu forgives every offense. So I was rolling in the dust and I was praying there. And at that time, Bhakti Vinod Thakur's mercy, I had some vision and I got that book Navadvip Dham Mahatmya of Bhakti Vinod Thakur. And when I read that book Navadvip Dham Mahatmya, I understood everything. How I had to preach. Bhakti Vinod Thakur by his mercy revealed it to me. So I am not shy. I am not going to be shy of telling people about Gauranga. I have seen Krishna's devotees are also very shy. Sometimes when devotees come in the temple, they ask, "Who is Nitai Gaur deities?" They say, "This is Krishna Balaram." They are very shy. They don't even take the name of Nitai Gaur. They say it is Krishna Balaram. They are shy to even say that it is Nitai Gaur. But we are seeing in Kali Yuga, Mayavadis are preaching, people are, bogus Kalki avatar is coming, bogus this avatar, that avatar, and people are accepting all the avatars. They don't know Krishna, but people are accepting all the avatars directly. Then why can't you tell people directly about Gauranga also? Why to be afraid? कलयुग में मतलब मैं जब नवदीप में था तब मेरे गुरुदेव ने आज्ञा किया निताई गौर का नाम भी महामंत्र के साथ प्रचार करने के लिए, तो मैं नवदीप में गया तो मुझे नवदीप धाम महात्म्य मिला, भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर का आदेश मिला। और उसके बाद even now I am trying to establish the Gauranga's name where it is mentioned in the scriptures, because Bhakti Vallabh Tirth Maharaj, he distributed Gauranga's name in Scotland everywhere, but he did not write this where it is. So many people criticized him, or they tried to stop his spreading of Gauranga Naam because the basis was not in the scriptures. So I thought my first goal is to establish Gauranga's name wherever it is in the scriptures. Our acharyas have chanted Gauranga's name not only in Kirtan but also in Japa. Shivananda Sen chanted, Parvati chanted, so Markandeya Rishi chanted. He got Diksha from Surbhi cow. Parvati got Diksha in the Gaurang mantra from Lord Shiva, and then Sapta Rishis, the 7 sages, got Diksha in Gauranga's name from Brahma. They asked how to get Krishna Prem. Brahma gave them the Gauranga mantra. They came to Navadvip and they chanted. So then they got Krishna Prem very quickly. Parvati attained Gauranga's darshan in Simanta Dweep. She put the dust on her lotus head, and this lotus feet this here between the Mang, Simanta Dweep, by taking Diksha in the Gauranga mantra. Then Shachi Mata and Jagannath Mishra received Diksha in the Gauranga mantra from Advaita Acharya, and then Vishwarup was born, Gauranga was born. So all these things in Navadvip Dham Mahatmya and Chaitanya Charitamrita trying to establish. But mostly I don't know whoever may accept it or not, but till the end of my life I am going to do the instructions of my Gurudev, my Guru Parampara. I don't care what others say. I mean, everything is there in the scriptures. I have given the original verses with different colors, meanings. I will write commentary also. I have written in the Nitai Veda. I have 500-page book on this, with all the references from the scriptures. So, if I was preaching, there are many devotees who told me, if I was preaching only the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, then many more devotees would have come to me, to hear the Katha. But when they come to know that Sadhu Maharaj is also preaching Gauranga Naam, they don't come. They think it is something new or something different. But I don't care. I am not doing this for pleasing, to increase the number of followers or to increase the number of devotees. I am doing this for pleasing Nityananda Prabhu. And Nityananda Prabhu will be pleased when Gauranga's name is spread. People have something to say. Oh, don't go there. There's something new is being taught. Gauranga's name. What? That is not new. That is old. Gauranga's name was chanted by Nityananda Prabhu. And he gave the Gauranga Bhajile, Gauranga Japile, Hoy Dukhera Avasa. So I am just repeating what the Acharyas have said. It's not something new. It's only that in this world nobody is repeating except me. Nobody is telling about Gauranga so much. So Yashoda Putra Das Prabhu used to tell me, don't get scared, don't be afraid. Like everyone has his specialty. People speak like the Babaji speak on Radha Ras Sudha Nidhi. I spring about Gauranga Leela. Why should I be afraid? This is my specialty. Gauranga Leela, I want to give Gauranga Leela, Gauranga's attraction to this world. Means I myself want to become attracted first. So, why not to speak about Gauranga directly? And I feel that by doing Gauranga Bhajan only, you can quickly become a Raganuga Bhakta. Because I myself have realized that in my own bhajan, by doing Gauranga Bhajan, you become a Raganuga very fast. You can attain those things which you can never even imagine. By only Krishna Bhajan. So, it's like that. Humbly, but I am not like, I'm just spreading Gauranga's name according to my capacity. I am not telling anybody or forcing anybody, or just because we are, I feel that I am fallen, I am very offensive, I need Gauranga's name. That's the only reason why I am chanting Gauranga's name. But anybody who is chanting the Panchatattva mantra and the Hare Krishna mantra, we offer them full respect. And because even though they are chanting only the Panchatattva mantra only 3 times in a day or 60 in Kirtan, but at least they are worshipping the deity of Nitai Gaur. So deity of Nitai Gaur is also equal to Gauranga's name, some mercy is coming. Or at least they are reading Chaitanya Charitamrita. So if you don't want to chant Gauranga's name, then take shelter of Gauranga in some other form, like Chaitanya Charitamrita, like the deity of Gauranga. Whatever way, but take shelter of Gauranga. If you want to remove your 10 offenses to the holy name, then just take shelter of Gauranga's in any form. Gauranga Nama Rupa Guna Leela. That is my only teaching. That is what I am teaching. Is like, just take shelter of Gauranga in any form you can. You sing the name of Gauranga. Sing the name. If you feel you can't do japa, then sing Nitai Gauranga for 10-15 minutes every day. That will make your chanting offenseless. That will make your Hare Krishna Maha Mantra offenseless. So whatever way you want, you can take the name of. Because if you take the name of Gauranga, then you will feel attracted to go to Navadvip. You will realize your Kishore form in Navadvip Leela. By chanting Gauranga's name, we have 2 forms. One in Gaur Leela, one in Krishna Leela. So, if you want to realize our form in Gaur Leela, we have to chant Gauranga's name. Krishna Leela is the Maha Mantra. And we are not replacing the Maha Mantra. In fact, my first book was to chant the 64 rounds of the Maha Mantra. It is known as Maha Mantra Yoga. It was my first book. I have established from all the scriptures the goal of chanting 64 rounds. Lakshanam. I want to print that again. Ras Bihari Lal is also asking. Many are asking for that book again. It was in high demand. It got sold out within 1 week. I printed 2,000 copies. Maha Mantra Yoga. All the original verses from different Puranas with commentary, Harinam Chintamani also. The process of chanting Harinam. So, one katha I speak on Harinam and one katha I speak on Gaur Leela every day. Because there should be a balance between Gaur Tattva and Krishna Tattva. We are not unbalanced, so everything is balanced. And that is why I think with the proper balance one can attain attraction for Krishna Naam. You got your tickets? No. Okay, sorry for that. You could have told this person here in Radhakund. One day more in Radhakund. It's good. तो इसलिए हम जो भी अगर गौरांग का नाम नहीं लेना चाहते वो भक्त भी गौरांग का लीला सुन सकते हैं, निताई गौर का विग्रह रख सकते हैं, चैतन्य चरिताम गौरांग का किसी भी प्रकार से आश्रय लेना है तो हम राधा कृष्ण की प्राप्ति कर सकते। एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? No problem. Prabhupada says, if you bring Gaur Nitai in your house every day, just if you look at them, you will make spiritual advancement. Their only food is kirtan. Clap your hands and do kirtan before them for 10 minutes, 15 minutes every day. They'll be happy. At least one time bhoga, if you give, it's nice. One time arti. Tulsi leaf and water, you should always put them before Nitai Gora, Radha Krishna. Whole day Tulsi leaf and manjari and with water should be there. You should keep on changing that 2-3 times in a day. Fresh water and Tulsi manjaris. Tulsi manjari arpan koribe Bhagwane. Komal manjari.
हाल छोटा है एक ही कोमल बनता है ना, एक से कोमल ना,
हाँ
ये बड़ा हो गया,
यही तो कोमल चलिए।
चलेगा।
अगर आप भोग अर्पण नहीं कर सके तो पानी और तुलसी का मंजरी भी डाल के रख सकते भगवान के सामने। एनी क्वेश्चन? Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.